G'day guys, we're here with the new proud owners of our Pearl XX4 Wonder Roo caravans, Kathy and Dave. So this is Kathy and Dave. We're going to show you around their van and they're going to explain a couple of things that they've done differently to what's the norm. Alright, so basically what we've got here is a 25mm TIG welded aluminium frame. They've gone fully off-road suspension, correct? If I'm making some mistakes, let me know. Fully off-road suspension. We went level 3, I do apologise, level 3 power pack system, which has 200 amp of lithium batteries, 800 watts of solar,
yes,
and then you've got a 3000 watt inverter,
yes,
correct?
Yep.
That's good. What else did we end up doing? We ended up getting some extra options.
yes, we've got the slide out kitchen.
Slide out kitchen.
No, you're better at it than me.
You've got a slide out kitchen. We'll all talk together. We've got a slide out kitchen. I remember we decided to go with a diesel heater.
Diesel heater, yes. Necessity, yes.
Yeah. And we make our way around the van a little bit. So you've got the Tough Ride off-road suspension.
That's correct, yep.
You've also gone the Silver Plus pack with features.
Yes.
Extra water tank.
Extra water tank that Pill might have just seen there. So you've got
310 litre.
and then you've got a grey water still as well.
Yep.
110
grey water.
110 grey. And as we walk in, Kathy and Dave want to remove the wheel well.
Yep.
So that's something that we've removed. Wheels. Dave's got something.
The wheels we picked ourselves.
The wheels were Dave's choice. And also on those wheels, we've got the tyre pressure monitors running on that. You also got the gas level as well.
Yep.
And a level as well. Caravan level, I think it is as well. We'll have a look at that, but I'm pretty sure you've got that as well.
Anti-sway.
Anti-sway, breakaway. Quite a few extras on this one.
Features.
Got the jerry can holders that we just installed today. So we've gone to the new lockable jerry can holders.
They're great, those ones.
Yep, yeah, much.
And they look nice too.
Yeah, they do.
Look a lot better than the other ones, I feel.
A couple of little things that have just come to my mind that you chose. I think it was Kathy. You wanted the light on the roadside.
Yes.
So we put a light on the roadside, and I think you also ended up choosing where the barbecue was. We've put a light above your barbecue area as well.
Yep.
Which is a really good idea.
Very handy, that outside lights.
Yep. So there's your fillers down there. You got your quick fill, which is underneath the van. Kathy's really good with the inside. This is her domain.
It's a backing camera standard.
Backing camera standard on the Silver Plus. That's right.
Okay.
So Kathy basically chose the layout. So as we go in,
Yeah, it looks nice inside, doesn't it?
yeah, it's a beautiful van. Really is.
You'll notice that we've gone for the chairs instead of the couch. Extra comfort.
Yep. So we've gone the recliner model. Yep.
The larger fridge, which has been dropped, gives you the extra space up above.
Kathy's ready, just about to go for her first trip.
Yes.
Shortly. She's come in to have her first service, which was free of charge. So we've done a full first service for her, free of charge, and that's for every one of our customers. I think the black pack is something else that you decided to go with.
We decided to do the cupboards at the bottom black.
Yep.
The white at the top.
Yep.
To make it feel open. The full oven. Of course, the microwave.
Something that I remember you saying to me in the build, that you wanted the controls as close as possible.
I've got those hidden in the cupboard, so that I don't have to get out of bed on a nice cold morning to turn the heater on or the hot water service on when you're free parking. So switch her on.
Yeah, I think that was a really smart idea. So it's right there, right at your fingertips. Another thing that you really liked was the remote controls for the lights.
I love them.
Yeah,
yes,
nice and simple, easy to use.
Yes, and that's what's going to be great when we get to where we're going, is you pull up and you don't need to do anything.
Yeah, that's right.
Another thing we forgot to mention too is there's 2 Sirocco fans.
Yeah, you got the 2 Sirocco fans.
One each side.
One each side.
Yes.
Yep. We've got the washing machine in the ensuite. Full mirrored shower. David wanted the full mirror shower, didn't you, Dave? You wanted to make sure you looked really good.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure my curls were done
Curls
in the morning.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's come up really well.
And the white was chosen instead of the black for the back near the bed.
Oh, the back, yeah. So it all blends in really well.
Yeah.
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 And your thoughts so far with Wonder Roo? Yeah. How was the process?
It's so easy. You've made it so easy for us. It's been terrific. You've
No, that's
kept
good.
us up to date with what was going on.
Yep.
It's been really good.
No, it's good to hear.
Terrific.
Kathy wanted the mirrors on the thing. I nearly forgot about that, but Kathy wanted those mirrors.
And they've done them so nicely with the laser cut around the door open handles.
Yeah. No, it's come up really well.
They look terrific. Better than other ones.
The shiny white and the shiny black, I think, set it off.
It has. It
In the
really
cupboard.
has.
In the cupboard.
You've got the soft close
shiny.
drawers. You've got the off-road hinges. It's pretty much ready to go anywhere. You found the inverter system really easy to use as well.
Yes.
Just a matter of turning it on, turning it off when you push the button, and away you go.
So easy.
Very simple.
Very simple. Yeah.
And the compressor fridge easy
To use. Yeah.
not even think about it really.
Yeah.
Except to turn it on or off.
Yep. No, that's it. There's nothing else for it to be done. So you'd recommend Wonder Roo Caravans?
Oh, absolutely.
That's great
Fantastic.
to hear. It's great to hear. Yeah.
Yes.
They were very satisfied.
Terrific people to deal with.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Really appreciate that.
No, you've looked after us real well. Nothing's too much trouble.
No, nothing will be. That's one thing with us. We will look after the after services. Very important, no matter who you buy from. You really want to make sure who you buy from is going to look after you after they've taken your money away, and we'll definitely look after you. You know that.
No, we'd recommend Wonder Roo to anyone.
Yeah. No, really
anyone
appreciate
that
it.
asks and looks at it and likes it, we'll tell them where to go.
Hey. Tell them where to go?
where to get a Wonder Roo from.
No, that's fantastic. That's fantastic.
And I think the product itself will sell itself.
It does. It does.
I think so. When people look at it and see how well it's finished off and the service we got, I don't think you'll have any problem selling this brand of van.
No, we won't. No. Anyway, we appreciate everything. Thanks, guys. Thanks for doing that little video with us.
That's okay.
Really
man.
appreciate
good.
that. If any of you guys out there want to give us a call, phone number's 0466 935 487. Give us a call. We'll have a chat. Cheers.